So this week I thought I'd make a video with a bit of a difference. I'm sharing with you the behind the scenes, including the very glamorous laptop stand. It's a pile of textbooks that I use to prop up my laptop to the right height for when I'm on screen delivering the webinar. I've just finished the week of delivering the Term 1 webinar. You can still see I've got my lighting up. This is my whiteboard area I use for tutorials and seminars with students. And the reason I'm sharing this with you is, yes, it's kind of fun, isn't it? Just to have a bit of a snoop and see how people's setups work and also the view they have when they're doing this. We're so used to seeing the different people and the view we have of them. But there's actually more of a reason than that as well. It's great to see the surface, the obvious, the visual tools and setup that people have. But the real message I want to get across is that it's actually the things that we can't see, the deeper level supports and strategies and software and mechanisms and techniques that we have that really create the success. Because yes, the lighting helps, yes, the laptop obviously is essential, and yes, it's good to have certain things like my microphone and things set up, but what about all the things that we can't see? The things that are really essential, things like the webinar software, the webinar platform for me to be able to actually deliver and get that webinar out there. The web pages so that I can have my registration page so that people can actually register and join. And very importantly, my email service provider so that I can send out those emails and people actually know about it. Otherwise I could have all of the other things in place, but there'd be no one to come because I've not been able to tell anyone about it. So the reason I'm sharing this with you is because this is the case for students as well in their study. They've got the obvious things like their classwork, their homework, even their revision and their exam prep. But what about the deeper level layers of skills, strategies, techniques, and support that really make those things pay off? Things like making sure they have their 6 elements of exam technique. Things like making sure they are using revision strategies that are effective for them and their subjects, making sure that they're active rather than passive revision strategies, making sure that they are clear on how marking guides work so that they understand how to respond to those questions, those deeper level skills and techniques that mean that their classwork, their homework, and that revision actually pays off. So I'm Katie Price. I hope you enjoyed just getting a little insider look to my workings and how things are set up back here, but really understanding that it's not about the lights, it's not about the setup, it's about all the layers underneath that support those things and have them deliver in a successful way. If you've got any comments or questions, please scroll down, give me a reaction, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and of course share this with anyone else that you think it would be useful to. And if you have any questions you would like me to address on a future video, you can email me at katie.price@rocksolidstudy.com.au. And in the meantime, have a great week, and I'll see you next week.